Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both the Oneplus Wireless Z2 and your phone. Charge them so power interruptions won't break the process. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and disable other nearby audio connections to avoid conflicts. Make sure the earbuds are in the case, then open the lid. The Z2 automatically enters pairing mode with a flashing LED. This signals readiness. If you see a voice prompt, listen. It confirms the earbuds are discoverable, which speeds the next step. You now move to your phone's Bluetooth list and scan. Look for the exact name Oneplus Wireless Z2 to avoid pairing the wrong gadget. Once you tap that entry, accept any system pairing prompts. Usually no PIN is needed, but if asked, enter 0000. This authorizes the secure link. While the phone negotiates profiles for calls and media, listen for the confirmation chime from the earbuds. Make sure the phone shows connected and set media, and call audio to the Z2 if they default elsewhere. You finish by testing audio playback and making a quick call to verify mic routing. Adjust volume on both phone and earbuds because levels can differ. Once satisfied, open the OnePlus earbuds or Hey Melody app if available to update firmware and customize controls. This improves reliability and sound. If pairing fails, reset the Z2. Remove from Bluetooth list, then hold both earbuds touch areas in the case until the LED flashes repeatedly. Reopen and pair again. That reset clears stubborn connection issues and usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.